So this is the spray booth that CJ and I built. It's mostly going to be used for airbrush paints, and all my airbrush paints are water-based, but I wanted to have something to keep kind of everything contained if I wanted to do like little spray paint projects. But we pretty much went to our hardware store and got like these, like, I don't know, it's like polycarbonate sheets or something like that. It's just like a corrugated plastic, and they were 2 foot by 4, and we got 2 of them. So we cut them in half. That way we had 4 pieces, and then I used cardboard for the back because I got a small, it's like a 5-inch USB fan. I want to put an actual air filter in here, but we haven't gotten that far yet. We're just seeing how this works. There's just a piece of cardboard on the ground, and then I have my car, so we're gonna spray paint it just to see how it works. The fan is really just taped to the back, no air can get out, and then I have it vented out the window. And so yeah, we'll see how that works. I want to find a better way than just hanging the tube out the window, because I mean the window's wide open. I feel like all the fumes are just gonna come right back in. But yeah, see, we could add some lights to it. I want to paint it white, get an air filter in the back, probably get a stronger fan. I mean, it's working okay, but I feel like we could do better. But it's just a little on-off switch. So yeah, we're gonna see how it works. I feel like I could fit inside this thing. Totally could. It's decent size. So probably a bad idea, but I'm gonna use spray paint. I mean, it's working. The fan, like, I can see the fan taking it away. I mean, it's not bad. Like, it's sucking up a lot of it. It really is. If you can see, the fan's got white overspray. It's like pouring all over the side. I mean, not bad so far. There's still fumes, obviously, but. So I moved the hose to go out the window a bit more, but as you can see, like, there's overspray on it. It's sucking it up. It doesn't get foggy or anything. See if I can get it on video. Honestly, it's not bad for now. Definitely want to add way more stuff to it. It's so odd how it's doing that. Yeah, I definitely want to add more. Add a filter. Yeah, it's pretty cool.